Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have been in the news a lot recently. They are a relatively new thing and people are already capitalizing on the craze. People want to know more about NFTs and how they can profit from them. But you must approach NFTs in the right way to get the best results. You will need to learn what NFTs are and what they are not. You will also need to learn how NFTs work and how you can easily create them. You will also need to discover the best ways to promote NFTs and how to find investing and flipping opportunities for profits. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn what NFTs are and what they are not. You will learn how NFTs work and how you can easily create them. You will discover the best ways to promote NFTs. You will learn how to find investing and flipping opportunities for profits. You will learn how to avoid mistakes with NFTs, plus a whole lot more. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you make money with non-fungible tokens. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What are non-fungible tokens, NFTs? How NFTs work? The benefit of NFTs? How to create NFTs? How to choose an NFT marketplace? Proven tips for selling your NFTs. NFT mistakes that you must avoid. Investing in NFTs and flipping for profit. NFT best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to make money with non-fungible tokens. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know what NFTs are and what they are not. You want to know how NFTs work and how you can easily create them. You want to discover the best ways to promote NFTs. You want to know how to find investing and flipping opportunities for profits. You want to avoid mistakes with NFTs, plus a whole lot more. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to make money with non-fungible tokens, so it's understandable if you're a little less skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you make money with non-fungible tokens. I'll see you on the inside.